Recently, in a subarctic environment not so far away, a group of international participants came together to learn about science in northern wetlands. This is their story. In September 2011, scientists Amanda Winegardner, John Davenport, and Leanne Fishback, along with a group of citizen scientists, embarked on a capstone project to bring together 5 years of wetland monitoring near Churchill, Manitoba. We collected environmental, zooplankton, fish, and amphibian data from 28 wetlands and performed in-lab predator assay experiments to study subarctic trophic dynamics. Our study has broad implications for a better understanding of the adaptability of subarctic wetlands in the face of continuing environmental change. This cooperative effort between scientists and citizens is a concrete example of how polar scientists can integrate scientific knowledge back to the public. Come see the poster Trophic Dynamics in Subarctic Wetlands, Disentangling the Effect of Environmental Change and Predators on Zooplankton Community Structure to learn more.